The Sound of Music, Part 1, Evelyn Glenn by Deborah Cowley. The lesson introduces a person who fought against a physical disability and made her life a success story. This lesson drives in the message that with willpower and hard work, one could reach any height, the sky being the only limit. It is an inspiring story of a young girl named Evelyn Glenn who never gave up on her dreams but worked hard to reach a position one could never dream of. Evelyn Glenn listens to sound without hearing it. Evelyn Glenn was from Scotland. She was profoundly deaf. Her loss of hearing had been gradual. Her mother, Isabel Glenn, realized that her daughter had a problem of deafness when she was 8 years old. It was when she was waiting to play the piano and when her name was called, she didn't move. For quite a while, Evelyn had managed to conceal her growing deafness from friends and teachers. But by the time she was 11, her marks had deteriorated and her mistress urged her parents to take her to a specialist. Due to a gradual nerve damage, her hearing was severely impaired. She was advised to be fitted with hearing aids and sent to a school for the deaf. Evelyn's inspiration to success. Evelyn was not going to give up. She was determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. Most of her teachers discouraged her, but percussionist Ron Forbes spotted her potential. He began by tuning two large drums to different notes and told Evelyn to sense the music in some other way as she was deaf. Suddenly, she realized that she could feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower one from the waist down. Forbes repeated the exercise, and soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. This helped her to open her body and mind to various sounds and vibrations. She continued her pursuit to reach her dream and become successful in music with total determination and hard work. Evelyn struggled to make a mark in the world of music. Evelyn toured the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra, and by the time she was 16, she had decided to make music her life. She auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest marks in the history of the Academy. She gradually moved from orchestral work to solo performances. At the end of a 3-year course, she had captured most of the top awards. She got right to the top of her career and is known as the world's most sought after multi percussionist with a mastery of some 1,000 instruments and hectic international schedule. Evelyn's principles and achievements. Evelyn believes that if you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there. She explains that music pours in through every part of her body. It tingles in her skin, her cheekbones, and even in her hair. When she plays the xylophone, she could sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertips. On a wooden platform, she removes her shoes so that the vibrations pass through her bare feet and up her legs. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. Evelyn is an inspiration. Apart from regular concerts, she also gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals. She also gives high priority to classes for young musicians. She is a shining inspiration for deaf children as they feel there is nowhere they cannot go. She has been a role model to handicapped people as they feel that if she could do it, even they could be successful. She has given enormous pleasure to millions. Thank you.